Hi, I'm Seth with Wheeled Hand Tool Systems. Today, we're going to be trying out the pry bars, the clamp, and I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to move some big logs, some pretty impressive rocks. Let's get going. Here we're starting our What's Pry Bar demonstration by moving this branch out of the roadway. It's super easy to just roll up, stick the pry bars under, lift, and pivot the branch where I want it. The amount of leverage you have with the What's system allows you to move really large logs that you wouldn't normally be able to move by yourself. Next, I'll quickly pry a rock out of muddy ground. I'll just slide the pry bars under the rock and start to use that leverage that I've got to wiggle the rock into a position in which I can clamp it. Once I've got it where I like it, I'll slide the clamp arm on the clamp bracket just down far enough to where it starts to bite into the rock. Really doesn't have to be all that tight off the bat. Kick it a little, and then I'm going to start wiggling and leveraging the What's, and the clamp will auto-tighten as it jiggles around to the point where it bites hard enough into the rock where the rock really can't move. And you can wheel it wherever you want and that rock's not going anywhere. Watch, I'll easily roll away here. The rock just stays put. Here I'll do the same thing with a bigger rock. You'd have a really hard time moving this rock by yourself otherwise. But look how much leverage I've got. I just move it into a position in which I can stick the pry bars, somewhat deeply under it. And then I'm going to move the clamp arm around, swing it around from transport position, just so the teeth can dig into the end of the rock. And it's not even all that tight right now. I'm just going to start leveraging, and the clamp will auto-tighten, like that. And I can wheel away. And I've got complete control over that very substantial rock. I'll just wheel up onto the roadway, and waltz away. The What's pry bar and clamp system also works very well to drag brush around. Here I'll just ram the What's up against a pile of brush, and I'm going to use the clamp arm to grab a bunch of it and drag it out. I'll just move it up on the clamp bracket, swing it around, make sure it's resting over a bunch of sticks and stems, stomp it down so it's very tight right off the bat, and I'm just going to pull back. A little bit of effort, but that brush is quite packed in there. But you can see how much I've got clamped on, and it's not going anywhere because the clamp's very tight. And then I can just drag it wherever I want. Once you've reached your destination, the clamp arm is easily loosened and swung around so it's out of the way. Then I'm just going to use the pry bars as a little bulldozer or forklift and push the brush into the woods. It's easy to get a whole bunch of branches out of the way real quick. Finally, this pry bar and clamp setup works awesome for bucked logs. I'm just going to dig the pry bars right under, swing the clamp arm around, and then watch, just with one lift, that log gets locked into the What's system. Boom! I can roll it wherever I want. Hope you all liked that video of a couple of very, very useful attachments. Please actually like the video. Click like. Please subscribe. And also, it'd be really great if you guys could comment and suggest other things that the pry bars and clamp might be helpful on. We've used it on a bunch of applications, and it's been astounding every single time. We've gotten great results. People love them. However, there's always another application out there that we haven't thought of yet. And maybe you guys immediately see something that the pry bars and clamp could really, really help out with. So let us know. And please visit our website at www.wheeledhandtoolsystems.com, and check us out. Stay tuned. More videos to come soon. More applications. Get ready. See you guys.